Thanks for dropping by. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps with the algorithm, and it gives me the opportunity to create more things that I can bring to you, and that's what I really enjoy doing. The templates for these key tag designs are available to my patrons on my Patreon page to freely download. The key tags are available to buy on Amazon, and I've included both links in the video description. Are you broke? In this video I'm going to show you how I make $100 fast with sublimation on memorial and pet items. They're some of my best sellers, and whenever I need to raise some quick cash, I pull these out of my tickle trunk. And today we're going to talk about keychains. Keychains are great for getting some quick sales. Every time I post on classifieds and marketplace, I get 10 to 12 sales within the first couple of hours. They're very inexpensive for the customer to purchase. I sell them for $10 and $3 for postage, or they can come by and pick them up, or I can drop them off. They're very quick to make, and they're very cheap to make. To mail them out, you just wrap them up in a piece of printer paper to protect them and stick them in the mail, and the customer usually has them within a couple days. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to upload these templates and edit them on Canva. First, you go into File at the top of the page here and click Create New Design. So the kind of design we want to create is a custom size, and it's asking us the width and the height. Right now it's showing as pixels. Let's change that to inches. The size for the template that you need to set up for a key tag is 2.44, and you tab over, and the height is 1.65. See, I already have one that I started here just to test it out, because I'm not really used to using Canva. And ordinarily I use Photoshop for everything. So we're just going to say create new design. So this is our blank canvas for our key tag template. So if you want to just design a key tag, put whatever element you want on this, and then download it, you can certainly do that and use it for a key tag. A lot of businesses like to have key tags made with their business information on it, so that you might even be able to upload a business card and put on that. But right now we're looking at the templates that I showed on the video earlier. So I'm going to go to Uploads. I do have one already uploaded. I'm going to upload another one. Upload files. Let's look at this one. A Piece of My Heart is in Heaven. That one has the right hand side transparency so that you can upload a photo. So it's uploaded now, so we can just click on it and drag it over onto our template. So when you drag it over, it makes it smaller. The templates are 2.44 by 1.65 at 300 dpi. So you can just drag this out and make it the correct size. It won't affect the quality as long as you don't go over the size too much. If you go over the size, it'll start to pixelate on you. Okay, so that's our transparent overlay for our Piece of My Heart key tag. Next thing we want to do is upload the photo. So normally the customer would supply you with the photo of the person they want on the key tag. So we'll go Upload Files, and I'll use the same photo that I used for the mock-up. So go Downloads. This is the man that I used in the mock-ups. Actually, I won't do that. I'll use this lady. I get all my stock photos from VECTEEZY. I'm a member on VECTEEZY. I pay like 14 something a month, and I'm able to go on and I get unlimited downloads of whatever I want. Video clips, photos, vector files, pngs, whatever they got there, you can freely download it. And they also have some great bundles as well. So the link to that is also in the description if you want to check that out. Okay, let's grab this lady. She's downloaded. Okay, she's already on here. So we're going to drag her over, and we're going to upscale this a little bit. And you can see that it makes it proportionate. It doesn't stretch it one way or the other. So this is great, but we don't want this in the front layer. We want it in the back layer. So click on your position right here. Oops. And click on Layers. So it shows the lady on top. We want to drag this layer down, but it's not going to let us because this is set as the background layer. Okay, so what we need to do is, there's a little set of dots here. You just click on that and it'll open up this little menu. You click on detach image from background. So again, it makes it smaller, but it does put it up top and it puts the lady on the bottom where she needs to be. So just click on this layer now and you can stretch it out again. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Just drag her back. You just grab this handle here on the corner and make it the correct size and then just slide it over into place. And there you go. There's the customer's version of the key tag with their loved one's photo on it, and now you can download that and make your key tag for your customer. Okay, we're going to do another one. You click on design in the top left hand corner. Go under file, create new design, custom size. I'm sure there's a way to save this template if you wanted to. Just going to change this to inches again. Actually, I'm not going to create a new one. So now that we got our template open, I can just bring up another one and do it right in this one. I'm just going to go position, layers. I'm going to get rid of this layer. Delete. Delete. Okay, we got a white background layer. Under uploads, just go in and click on upload files. Let's see. Where did I save that? Okay. Next one we're going to do is this little pet one. Paw print best friend key tag template overlay. So just double click on it. It's uploading. And it's there. So you double click on it. Oh, I double clicked and it gave me two. Let's just get rid of one. Just highlight it and hit delete and it's done. Okay. So again, it puts it in there at a smaller size, but you can just stretch it out. And again, it doesn't make it disproportionate. And this is the actual size quality of it is 300 dpi. So now we got our overlay. Position, you go into position. That got that set as the background layer. We're going to hit detach image from background and it makes it small again. Just drag it out again. I'm a little clumsy in Canva. I haven't used it very much. I'm going to try to learn some more things about it. Okay, so you can see now we got our white background layer, we got our overlay. When I clicked on it, it automatically made it go back. I'm going to hit Control Z and that'll put it back to where it was. Okay, so position. Next thing we want to do is upload the photo. So we go back to uploads, upload files. I'm going to go into my downloads because I did download some photos from VECTEEZY. Let's go with this little doggy here. Okay, he's downloaded. Oh, double click. I gotta learn not to double click in here. Just click is good enough. Okay, he's on top of your overlay. You want him between the background layer and your overlay. So you go position and you just drag him under. And he's there. And there you have it. You have your template all set up. All you need to do now is download it and it's the exact correct size and resolution to print your key tag sublimation print. So you can see how you can quickly make some money at this. Pets and memorials are two of the very best sellers that I have. They tug on the heartstrings of anybody that sees it, anybody with a pet, anybody with a current pet, anybody with a pet that's passed on. Loved ones, people always want to carry their loved ones with them. It's very, very sentimental to them and they really love it. So hope you'll check out my key tag designs again on my Patreon page. All my new Etsy uploads I post to my Patreon as well, and anybody that's a patron can freely download whatever they want. Hope you enjoyed this video.